In a cozy library, a small dusty book hid on a top shelf, forgotten by everyone. People walked by, thinking boring, but the book waited patiently. One rainy afternoon, a curious child in a yellow raincoat saw it, reached up, and blew off the dust poof. When the child opened the book, magical pictures leapt out, castles, talking animals, and brave heroes. The stories taught kindness, courage, and friendship. He read the tales to his friends. They laughed, gasped, and shared them with their families. The village fell in love with the once forgotten book. Moral: never underestimate what curiosity can find. Hidden treasures are everywhere.